Wait lang, Jen. Dumadunlan ako sa imo pamangkot. Hala, naiiyak ako. 4 hour, ginakulwan ako. Sing! Yay! Hello mga KaBangBang! Happy 3rd year anniversary sa aton nga tanan. And of course, para hindi ko gid malimtan ang aton nga anniversary, gid make sure ko gid nga ang pag-launch sang akon nga YouTube channel is kadungan gid sa birthday sang akon nga magulang. Happy birthday, Leia! Yay! So thank you so much for the past 3 years. Nakita diri sa YouTube and you are still with me. And yun, nag-post ako sa akong yung Facebook page. Kung wala pa ka mo naka-follow sa akong yung Facebook page, please do follow me on my Facebook page. There you go. And nag-post ako dito. If you want to get to know me more, please do comment. Ask me, would you rather questions. And I have 5 questions nga na-receive from our co-vlogger kagan isa ko gid kamigaman o po sa teatro. And now, with me while answering our questions for our special vlog 3rd year anniversary, nag-vlog kita for the Molo Mansion. So, nag-order kita from Puro Cafe, ang ilang coffee, syempre kagila nga cookies. Then, we have from Red Riding Food, meron kita nga sausages. Duwa ni siya kabilo. So, upod ko syempre, kada mag-shoot ako si Mother Earth ko, kag ako niya sister, si Leia, upod na ako sa pag-shoot kagina, no? And, syempre, aragid ng mantra natin nga always share your blessings, share your food. So, that's why 1/3 na lang siya sang sausage ang ara sa akon. Subo nga ipakita sa inyo. Then, we have here our third food stall nga ginbaklan ko ginis ang Otaku Mansta PH. There you go. Woo! Grabe! Super thrilling sang ilang ang mga pumangkot sa akon. Our first question, alin kay Presil Umel. Hindi ka pressure ako. Hindi ba obvious? So yeah, question here. Congrats! What made you start all this and what made you kept going? What made me start Gidya? Dugay na siya. Like, ang akong YouTube channel started in 2012 because of my sister. Siya gining nag-introduce sa akon sa YouTube nga world. And galing mas nakita yung nga ang potential ko to talk with you. And syempre nga akon nga drive in performance, in sharing my skill as a performer. Siya ginang nag-motivate sa akon nga mag-open sa akon YouTube channel. Unfortunately, since 2012, wala gid siya nagsulod sa mic ko, maging vlogger ko. Since as a performer, amo to ganin na-discuss ko. Wow, na-discuss! Nahambal ko man sa akong previous vlogs, iba ang theater world. It's a big world compared to film, compared to vlog, nga wala ka audience, it's just the camera and ang reactions niyo as viewers will be after na pag na-upload na compared pag nasa theater tayo, diba? You could immediately get the response of your audience. Now, I don't know kung tama akong ginatulog camera ba sila yun ako nagatulog sa inyong screen. Ginakulban ako. So, there you go. Then, eventually, since nakagraduate na ako, and it was hard for me and the rest of our theater members to pull off a production since nag-graduate na kami gani, no? Because of my sister man gin sa sakon nga magsulod ako kag mag-enroll for a film to learn basics of filmmaking. So, naging filmmaker ako 2017. Then, I realized na hindi gali ako prepared to be an actor on film since I started with theater, tamaan ko kadako sa movement. So, I have to diba? Mag-shrink, mag-go small. So, the only way I thought nga magiging comfortable ako sa camera is to venture out vlogging. So, I discovered vlogging and started vlogging 2019 sa kilala ko si Paps nga bayas ako, may vlogging community kita diri sa Iloilo. Then, so kung mag-vlog ako, hindi ako nag-iisa. So it's really the company, the IVCC, it's really you, balaan mo na, Presil, you, Mary, sa kada sa mga nag-influence sa akin nga mag-continue going to the second question. So what kept you going is because of the support of the IVCC. Hala, naiiyak ako! To my all IVCC family, thank you so much for supporting. Wow! I did not expect this to come! Wait, I'll eat. Sarap. Dahil sa amin ko ang classmate, shout out ko, Paul Ocana. Siya man na nagambal sa akin nga, kilala mo si Alex Gonzaga. From acting, nag-go siya sa vlog, naging successful siya. Why won't you try it? Diba, dahil naman na ako ba passion sa performing, passion sa talking, no? So, ang balya sa akin, why won't you open the doors for vlogs? So, dito na ako napaisip nga, okay, mag-vlog kaya ako. If it's the road for me as a performer. Then, amo na. And eventually, I enjoyed, and with you supporting me all throughout the years, you inspired me to keep going. There you go! Enough of it, Pressy! I don't like it! Wait lang! No, Pressy! Don't like you! I miss you, Pressy. Next question is from our Vice President External, Herf Dornal! Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Congrats, Madam. Here's my question. Would you rather be someone who speaks to tell a lie, or someone who keeps quiet to hide the truth? I really hate liars. So definitely, I'll be keeping quiet to hide the truth rather than tell a lie. And to be honest, I am actually in a situation last pandemic na it's really not a thing. Kahit sabihin mo nang makaka-boost or makakatulong or whatever the reason behind, white lies are still lies. And once a person lies to you, mawawala na yung trust. And once trust have been lost, mahirap nang i-build yung relationship. So that's one thing I really don't like. And yun, I'd better be quiet, especially if the truth would hurt that person, or you assess that person, would that person be able to accept the truth? You weigh his or her reaction, and tingnan mo if kaya ba niyang tumanggap ng criticisms. Usually, yung truth na hinahay natin are constructive criticisms na we think na hindi niya kaya. Pero kung sa tingin nyo naman ay kaya naman nilang i-accept, and it really matters how we deliver the truth to them, di ba? So, mawi-weigh mo din if it's time to tell the truth or be quiet, but never ever tell a lie. Telling a lie is never part of my brain cells, never part of my vocabulary. So, there you go, Herbs! At least cool lang, di ba? Medyo pa-deep yung question mo, pero kulang, hindi ako naging emotional compared to Prezi. Kaya, cheers tayo dyan sa pang sausage, cheesy granny sausage from Red Riding Food for you, Herbs. Cheers! Siyempre, before nag-March, it is February. So, I posted this question during February, and in love, alam ko, yung isa naming flower din. Please do subscribe to his YouTube channel, Arif Gamat. Na-stress ako! We have another Frenchie in here! This is from Otako Monster PH. There you go. Ang iyang question naman is, hey! Congrats, Bing! I have a question for you. And, amulang ni naisip ko nga question. Ha. Gapati ka subong nga henerasyon nga... Wait lang, Jen. Dumadunlan ako sa imo pamangkot. Gapati ka subong nga henerasyon nga tsura na ang ginabasihan para mabaton ka sa isa ka tao. And why? I hope masabat mo. Haha. Peace. Grabe. Kita mo ne, may french fries kita. Ini chicken nuggets. Kung tulokon mo ang duwa, ang isa mulumaniwang may curves. Sexy. Aring chicken nuggets, makidol-kidol, may kulubot-kulubot, cute. O, diba? Pero kung tulukon mo lang, laban-laban, mambal, kagidirigin na sila sa sexy, hindi gid sila sa budol-budol, na? Pero biskan cute, hindi gid sila. Kaya may mo gani, tsura ang basihan. Pariho lang na bala nga nag-apply ka sa imong dream job. Or di gani, may interview ka. Even if we started our YouTube journey, di ba? It's very important, no? Ang atong thumbnail. Thumbnail represents the appearance of our everything, of our channel. So paglaw ay ang imo nga YouTube channel, nga thumbnail, ang imo nga art da sa babaw, no? Usually, pag hindi bet sang mga viewers, gina close tab next, no? Kung thumbnail, next video paglaway ang thumbnail. So it's very important, gid man, especially now sa subong nga henerasyon, based on your question, ang physical appearance. Pero question this is baton. Usually appearance daw screening siya, pero maganda kang mabaton is you accept it into your life, no? What is important is ang unod naton, no? Ang imo nga character, ang imo nga attitude. As what I've said earlier, screening lang siya ang physical appearance. So kung hindi ka kapasar sa screening committee, sa physical appearance, goodbye. That's why hamba nila, always best foot forward. Kung naga-interview ka, dapat dress up ka, dapat pagwapo ka, dapat pagwapa ka, utasan ako sa magulang ko, wala akong pagwapa, tiyan mo muna, kaya nga akong diwalwalan, is bet na bet nyo man. Wow, thank you. But now, I promise, in my 3rd year, magpapaganda na po ako. Please comment down below if you think I'm beautiful right now. Then I'll be keeping this beauty forever and ever. There you go, no? Despite sa physical appearance, screening lang man mo, what kept you going? Let's go back to the question of Presi Human. What keeps you through the years? Ano ang makapabilin sa imo? Ano ang makapabaton sa imo? Sa isa ka tao is ang imo gid nga kaunod-unuran. Pareho sinisang french fries kag pareho sinisang chicken nuggets. Ang unod nila soft man, soft-hearted. Mananam, manamit. Soft man, no? Hindi ka naga tiga. Mahumok. Creamy man. Mananam, may texture pa. Yung chicken nuggets. So, dila lang gid kita talaga problema. So, sa mga henerasyon, if you have noticed, damo sa mga relationships nga wala ka dugay, tungod kay physical appearance lang una ginahimo nga basihan. Compared to other generations, older generations, nga hindi gid physical appearance ang 100% nga basihan no sa karelasyon, kundi ang pagkatawo gid naton. Ang character and attitude, amo gina siya kung pamangkot mga kaluluhan mo, mga tatay, nanay, tito mo. It's always attitude. It's character mo. Amo nang ginhamba kung man gani no, ano gid la ang content nyo sa YouTube. Biskan gwapo thumbnail nyo, pero paglantaw nila kag wala sila may makuha sa inyo, biskan simple spark of joy, wala sila may makuha sa content nyo, bayaan niya ikaw na. What kept you going, what will make you stay in this industry is ang content sa imo nga YouTube channel. What will make you stay in the heart of your potential partner is your kabubuton. So there you go, Art. I hope I opened your mind, I opened your heart, Mr. Art. And I don't know if nakuha mo nga ko nga point. Ang point ko lang yun, wow! Do pareho sini sa pagkanami sang itsura, but we have to make sure nga hindi lang gid appearance ang ginhatag ni Otako Manstapi. So dapat tilawan tagid. Woo! I'm so excited! Let's see. Grabe.
to adapt with them. May mga bagay na hindi mo na kinakailangan i-explain. Makita mo lang sa reaction ng tao. Kung palanggaya ka, palanggaya ka na. I hope I answered your question, Arth. There you go! Which brings us to our fourth question. Ang akon, ginakul-baan, nga pumangkot. Nadula siya, gini-raise siya ni Facebook. Tingnan ako mo, naka-hide niya man. Iya man sa aton nga vlogger. Hello mga beshies! Sana! Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Jeramar, niya question. Congrats! And it will be an honor if I could be part of this journey. Syempre, ay akong question. Would you rather be in the same-sex relationship? Kaya diba daw wala pag-gid si forever mo. Grabe, gin-reveal mo gid ako. Wala to ko sang forever. Wala to ko forever. Sang first ko niya nabasa, actually, like honestly, Beshi, yung kinig ako because I thought, nagsulog yun sa ulo ko, same-sex relationship, like it's you! Like, it's you! Then, ay hindi, galing no? So, there you go. And to answer your question, actually, no, I would not go and I am actually waiting for somebody. Wow! Confident ka tayo! No, I mean, my friends know my views and opinions when it comes to same-sex relationships and having a relationship. And I have, yun nga, ikain na natin ang cookies yan ng kuro kape. Tingnan natin kung masarap siya. Cheers din natin yan! Masyadong mabaga ang talong mo, Jeramar. Yeah, I believe that the Lord is preparing this man for me, if siya nga ang para sa akin. This man, wow, okay, wow. Yun na lang po. And malay mo, you, wow! And I'm not really in a hurry for Mr. Forever to come into my life. And there you go, I'm patiently waiting. Okay, enough. Okay, there you go. Jormar, thank you so much. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, Jero. I believe he's watching my vlogs. And for my last question, thank you so much. Of course, I enjoyed the sausage from Red Riding Food. Ang pagkaon sa mata ko, Monster Peach. Grabe. Kag, syempre, ang kuro kape. Kuro kape nga native coffee and nila nga cookies. Kagang suman, kagina, gin baka namon. Yeah, thank you so much. And before I answer my last question coming from our theater member ng UP Teatro Amakan, I would like to invite everyone to please do bantayan nyo gid ang amon entry for the Mall Mansion. It will be uploaded on March 7. And there will be a voting sa social media sites, no? I-post siya sa Facebook, i-post mo siya sa Twitter, sa Instagram, and as well as sa TikTok. Please do follow Molo Mansion's social media sites kung once uploaded na siya sa March 7. I'm asking all of you, all of my subscribers to please like and heart and share our entry kasi kailangan natin ng datong! Oo, syempre, dapat diba ma-upgrade natin. Speaking of upgrade, kaya ginakulbaan ako sa akon nga last nga questions. Speaking of upgrade, this is my upgrade. Not just for myself, but of course for you viewers on our third year. Yes, there you go! Upgraded talaga tayo. And one, of course, ang aton nga upgraded gid ang aton nga studio diri lang gid sa aton nga kwarto. Toothless is also there lang gid sa gwa. Getting ready, pero hindi pa kita ready mag-drive sa aton nga car. So, dito lang siya na standby and we'll be having our vlogs here inside the room with the setup. There you go. And for our third in 4 hour, ginakabahan ako. Why am I doing this to myself? Anyway, I'm happy and I would like to thank you all for keeping in touch for the past 3 years and of course accepting my talents, my skills. And isa gina siya nga naka-release ko sa mga inhibitions ko sa life. Kay sa theater, we have to be perfect. Pag tapak mo sa stage, pagwa mo, dapat pulido ka na. There's no room for errors. Diri sa vlog, sa film, may slightly room, definitely dapat wala gid error. Pero because of the editing, there is a room for error. And dira ko na-accept nga, ay, tao nga tayo. Pwede tayo magkamali. And now, hala, ano naman siya? I'll be doing this. Well, sa school, kay requirement, sa school, nakakanta ako. Lagi naman ako na lang pa kanina ang bad ganing question, no? There you go. Yeah, sa aton nga online series during the pandemic last 2019. Thank you so much, Direct Kenneth, for pushing me. I know, I don't know if you could still remember our conversation that you really pushed me. And I'm really thankful that you really boosted my confidence in saying, oh no, I'm not crying again. Okay, because I'm celebrating 3rd year. And yeah, I love you all. There you go. Our question, kasama si mo Melfi, mo ginisala. Duwag ka mo ni Mel. It's from Melfiline Cabrillos. She is my co-actor, an actress, a theater actor sa UP Teatro Amakan. She's also a dancer. Melfi! Woo! Nang Rubes, would you rather be a songer or a dancerist? Of course, syempre, dancerist tayo. That's why this pandemic, naging TikTokerist na tayo, di ba? And eto, actually, ang part ni sa studio ko, this is my TikTokers zone. Supposedly, kaya akong vlogging zone dito. Kaso, since we are eating, hindi ko gusto nga mabutangan sa food ang akon nga bed. That's why I use this portion para masapos kita mag-clean. And of course, we got our bucket here! Yes! So there you go. I'd rather be a dancerist. But for this vlog, since I love you all, and since I'm be turning 3, and 3 is my favorite number because I really love you all, I'll be unleashing my hidden talent to you. And yun nga, courtesy of Omega Frau, shout out another Omega natin sa teatro. And my partner din sa aking film journey, ang nag-pusher ko man nga maging actor, again, maging actress sa film. Ang song nga ni, napilian ko siya tungod kay nag-post si Direct Kenneth sa iyang New Year's resolution kag nadunuman niya gid kuno ang kanta ni Ruby nga Both Sides Now. Kagintag ako ni Omega Frau. So I hope every one of you would like to hear me sing and would like this song that I'll be rendering to you all. What? To be rendering to you all? Okay, let's do this. So, para matapos na to. Hindi ko mag-solo because, you know, it's one of my fears in life. Anyway, I hope you can hear it. Rose and flows and angels' hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, and now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds' illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels It's easy dancing where you feel as every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, and now it's just another show. You live and laughing where you go, and if you care, don't let them know. You'll leave yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds, I've looked at life that way. But now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say that I've changed. Well, something's lost, but something's gained. And living every day, I've looked at life from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life. I've looked at life from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life at all. Thank you so much, mga kabambang, and happy 3rd year anniversary, and happy birthday to my sister Leia. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!